Going vegan can have a powerful impact on your health and the planet. By embracing a plant-based diet, you'll benefit from increased nutrient intake, improved digestion, and reduced risk of chronic diseases. The Mediterranean diet is all about balance and moderation. It emphasizes whole foods, healthy fats, and plenty of veggies, fruits, and grains. This way of eating has been linked to reduced risk of heart disease, cancer, and other chronic illnesses. Superfoods are nutrient-dense foods that offer a variety of health benefits. Examples include berries, leafy greens, nuts, and seeds. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can improve your immune function, reduce inflammation, and boost your energy levels. Snacking can be a healthy part of any diet, as long as you choose nutritious options. Try pairing protein with fiber to keep you feeling full and energized, such as hummus and veggies or an apple with almond butter. Carbs are an essential macronutrient that provide your body with energy. The key is choosing complex carbs, such as whole grains and veggies, over refined and processed options. This can help stabilize blood sugar levels and improve overall health. Protein is important for building and repairing muscles, supporting a healthy immune system, and maintaining overall health. Good sources of protein include lean meats, poultry, fish, tofu, beans, and lentils. Certain populations, such as those living in blue zones, have been found to live longer and healthier lives. These populations typically consume a plant-based diet, stay physically active, and prioritize social connections. Eating well on a budget is all about being strategic with your grocery shopping and meal planning. Try buying in bulk, choosing seasonal produce, and planning meals around ingredients that are on sale. Mindful eating involves paying attention to your food, savoring each bite, and listening to your body's hunger and fullness signals. This can help prevent overeating and promote a healthier relationship with food. Many processed foods contain harmful additives and chemicals that can negatively impact your health. By choosing whole, unprocessed foods, you can reduce your exposure to these toxins and support overall health.